one more pronunciation video for today, and in this one we are going to talk about glaze, glazed, graze, and grazed. First thing, all of these words have the Z sound. British people call the letter Z. American people call it Z. But the sound is Z, similar to S, but the S sound is quiet. S. There's no voice, no but the Z sound has Z, Z. So that is the Z sound or the Z sound. So all of these words have that sound. And the first word that we are going to look at is glaze. Glaze is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, glaze is the covering or the top of something, usually for a dessert. And it makes the dessert look white or shiny and clear. So, usually we see this word glaze with desserts, especially pastries and donuts. And we have G-L, gl, gl. For the L sound, your tongue is up, so g, gl, gl, glaze. So again, it's the noun for the covering the surface of the dessert. It's also the verb, which means to put the glaze onto something. I'm going to glaze these donuts. And then the past tense verb and also the adjective is glazed with a D sound. When you have Z-E-D, because Z is a voiced sound, it has the ED sound is D, D. So glazed, glazed. Then, so when you buy donuts, you buy glazed donuts, glazed donuts. If you like glazed donuts, maybe you don't like glazed donuts and you get powdered donuts or plain donuts. That's fine too. But I like glazed donuts. If you go to Krispy Kreme and you get the classic donuts, those are glazed. Okay, then we have graze. Graze sounds very similar to glaze, but it has the R sound. So for R, your tongue is back. So graze, graze. And graze is what cows and horses and sheep and goats do. They walk around all day and they eat the grass here, they eat the grass here, they go over here, they eat more grass. That is to graze. And if we just make it a past tense verb, it will be the same, but again we have the D sound on the end. Grazed. My sheep and my goats grazed in the field. So let's look at them all one more time, quickly. Glaze, glazed, graze, grazed. One more time, naturally. Glaze, glazed, graze, grazed.